Hello and welcome to Health, Fitness and Nutrition, the channel where we share useful and practical advice on how to live a healthier and happier life. In today's video, we are going to talk about what energy drinks do to your body. You might think that energy drinks are a quick and easy way to boost your energy and performance, but do you know what they actually contain and how they affect your health? Let's find out. Energy drinks are beverages that contain high amounts of caffeine, sugar, and other ingredients that claim to enhance physical and mental performance. Some of the common ingredients in energy drinks are caffeine. Caffeine is a central nervous system stimulant that is widely known for its ability to increase alertness, concentration, and reaction time. It achieves this by blocking the action of adenosine, a neurotransmitter that promotes sleep and relaxation. By inhibiting adenosine, caffeine promotes wakefulness and reduces the feeling of fatigue. However, it's important to note that excessive caffeine consumption can lead to negative effects such as increased blood pressure, heart rate, and diuretic effects, increased urine production. Sugar. Energy drinks often contain sugar, which serves as a source of carbohydrates. Carbohydrates are the body's primary source of energy, and consuming sugar provides a quick energy boost. However, the high sugar content in energy drinks can lead to a rapid spike in blood glucose levels. This spike is often followed by a crash, as the body releases insulin to bring the glucose levels back to normal. This crash can result in feelings of fatigue and low energy. Taurine. Taurine is an amino acid that plays various roles in the body. It is involved in processes related to cardiovascular function, such as regulating blood pressure and heart contractions. Taurine is also important for muscle contractions and can contribute to exercise performance. In energy drinks, taurine is often included for its potential benefits in enhancing physical performance and reducing fatigue. However, the specific effects of taurine in energy drinks are still not entirely understood. Guarana. Guarana is a plant native to the Amazon basin, and its seeds contain caffeine, theobromine, and theophylline, stimulants similar to caffeine. The presence of these stimulants in guarana can enhance the effects of caffeine found in energy drinks. Guarana is often included as an additional source of caffeine to provide an extra energy boost. However, it's worth noting that the combination of caffeine from multiple sources can increase the risk of caffeine-related side effects, such as jitteriness, increased heart rate, and insomnia. Ginseng. Ginseng is a herb that has been traditionally used for its potential health benefits. It is believed to have properties that can improve immune function, enhance mood, and boost memory. Ginseng is sometimes added to energy drinks for its perceived adaptogenic properties, which are believed to help the body cope with stress. However, ginseng can interact with certain medications, such as blood thinners and stimulants, and may cause allergic reactions in some individuals. B vitamins. Energy drinks often contain various B vitamins, including B6, B12, niacin, and pantothenic acid. B vitamins play essential roles in metabolism, as they are involved in converting food into energy. They are also important for maintaining a healthy nervous system. In energy drinks, B vitamins are included to support the body's energy production processes. However, it's important to note that the excessive intake of B vitamins beyond the recommended daily allowance does not necessarily provide additional energy benefits. While these ingredients may sound beneficial, they can also have negative effects on your body when consumed in excess or in combination with other substances. Some of the possible effects of energy drinks are 1. Dehydration. Energy drinks can contribute to dehydration due to the diuretic properties. Caffeine and other stimulants in these beverages can increase urine output and sweating, leading to a loss of fluids from the body. Dehydration can result in symptoms such as headaches, fatigue, dizziness, and impaired cognitive function. 2. Insomnia. Energy drinks contain high levels of caffeine and other stimulants that can interfere with sleep quality and quantity. Consuming energy drinks close to bedtime can make it difficult for individuals to fall asleep or stay asleep. Insomnia can have detrimental effects on mood, memory, concentration, and the immune system. 3. Anxiety. The stimulants present in energy drinks, particularly caffeine, can trigger or exacerbate anxiety symptoms. These drinks stimulate the release of stress hormones like adrenaline and cortisol, which can lead to increased feelings of nervousness, jitteriness, irritability, and even panic attacks, especially in individuals who are susceptible to anxiety disorders. 4. Heart problems. Energy drinks have been associated with an increased risk of heart problems. The high levels of caffeine and other stimulants can elevate blood pressure and heart rate, putting additional strain on the cardiovascular system. Prolonged or excessive consumption of energy drinks may increase the risk of developing arrhythmias, chest pain, and even cardiac arrest, particularly in individuals with pre-existing heart conditions. 5. Digestive issues. Energy drinks can potentially cause digestive problems due to their high acidity and other ingredients. The high levels of caffeine and artificial additives can irritate the stomach lining, leading to symptoms such as nausea, vomiting, and even stomach ulcers. Additionally, energy drinks can alter the balance of gut bacteria, potentially causing gastrointestinal issues like diarrhea. As you can see, energy drinks are not as harmless as they may seem. They can have serious consequences on your health if you consume them regularly or in large amounts. Therefore, it is better to avoid or limit your intake of energy drinks and opt for healthier alternatives instead. Some of the natural ways to boost your energy are: drink water. Water is essential for hydration and proper functioning of all organs in the body. Water can also help flush out toxins and prevent fatigue. Eat healthy foods. Healthy foods such as fruits, vegetables, nuts, seeds, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats can provide you with balanced nutrition and sustained energy throughout the day. Exercise regularly. Exercise can improve your physical and mental health by increasing blood circulation, oxygen delivery, endorphin release, muscle strength, and metabolism. Exercise can also help you sleep better at night. Manage stress. Stress can drain your energy and affect your mood and performance. Stress can also weaken your immune system and make you more prone to illnesses. Therefore, it is important to manage stress by practicing relaxation techniques such as meditation, yoga, breathing exercises, or hobbies. Get enough sleep. Sleep is vital for restoring your energy and repairing your body. Sleep can also enhance your memory, learning, creativity, and mood. Therefore, it is recommended to get at least 7 to 9 hours of sleep every night. By following these tips, you can improve your energy levels naturally and safely without relying on energy drinks. You will also feel better overall and enjoy a higher quality of life. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it informative and helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos on health, fitness and nutrition. See you next time.